Let's talk about loop engineering. If you've heard people say prompt engineering is changing, this is what they mean. Once you understand the difference, you'll also understand why modern AI systems can solve much bigger problems. Let's break this down. A prompt is simply one instruction you give to an AI. You ask a question or give it a task, it responds, and then the interaction ends. Whether the answer is perfect or full of mistakes, the process is finished. Think of a prompt like a straight line. It starts with your instruction and ends with the AI's answer. There's no built-in way to check whether the job was actually completed correctly. Now think about a loop instead. A loop is a system, not just an instruction. The AI performs a task, then checks its own work against a goal. If something isn't right, it fixes it and checks again. It keeps repeating that cycle until the work passes the check. That's why engineers are starting to say loops are replacing prompts. They're not replacing prompts entirely. They're building systems around prompts, so the AI can continue working without needing a person to tell it every next step. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine you ask an AI to write a piece of code. With a prompt, the AI writes the code and stops. If there are bugs, it's your job to notice them and ask for fixes. With a loop, the process looks different. The AI writes the code, runs the tests, finds any errors, fixes them, runs the tests again, and only stops when everything passes. Notice that the goal isn't to get one answer. The goal is to finish the job. That's the key idea. A prompt gives the AI one instruction. A loop gives the AI a process to follow until the result meets a standard. So to recap, prompts tell an AI what to do. Loops help an AI figure out when it's actually done. Follow to learn more about AI in simple terms.